Take a look at almost any commercial airplane. Whether it's flying for American Airlines, Singapore Airlines, or Philippine Airlines, you'll notice one thing they all have in common. Most of them are painted almost entirely white. At first, it seems like a strange choice. With thousands of airlines around the world, why do they all keep choosing the same color? It turns out, white isn't just for looks. It's one of the most practical colors an airplane can have. First, white reflects much more sunlight than darker colors. That helps keep the aircraft cooler while it's sitting under the hot sun, protecting the cabin, equipment, and interior from excessive heat. White also makes maintenance easier. Cracks, dents, oil leaks, and other damage are much easier for mechanics to spot on a bright white surface. Another reason is durability. Airplanes spend years exposed to intense sunlight, and white paint shows fading much less than darker colors. That means the aircraft stays looking newer for longer. It also helps airlines save money. Because white paint ages more slowly, aeroplanes usually don't need repainting as often, reducing maintenance costs over the aircraft's lifetime. And since the aircraft stays cooler while parked, it takes less effort to cool the cabin before passengers board, making the process a little more efficient. So the next time you look up and see a white aeroplane crossing the sky, remember, it's not white because airlines ran out of colors. It's white because for an aeroplane, it's simply the smartest choice.